Aloha mai kākou, this is Kuʻuipo with Download Hawaii, and i ke Iʻll, we're going to look at huaʻōlelo no Ka Lumi Kuke, the kitchen. Okay, so let's start with kaipuhao, pot. This is a cooking pot. Nata arakain. Ka oma, oven. Ka oma vave, microwave. Ke kinika, sink. Ke kini o pala, trash can. Ka mea hoʻopapaʻa palawa, toaster. Ka mikini kupa kope, coffee maker. Ke pā, plate. Ka pā palai, frying pan. Ke pola, bowl. A me ka pahu hau, fridge. This is just the refrigerator part. The freezer would be ka pahu pa'a hau. So it would add pa'a in right there. Okay, moving on. Useful phrases. We'll start with e pu pa'akai kākou. So this is like a poetic way of saying let's eat. It means like let's share some salt together. E ho'i ho'i ka mea ai. Put the food away. E kiloi ka opala. Throw away the trash. E kaui ke pā ma ke kinika. Put your plate in the sink. Okay, over here we have turn on and turn off the oven. So this word ho'a is to turn on, ho'opio is to turn off. And this is always going to be like lights or machines that kind of turn off and on. Okay, so first one, ho'a ka, or e ho'a ka oma, turn on the oven. E ho'opio ka oma, turn off the oven. And I added just, the utensils. These are our three main utensils. We have ke o, the fork, ke puna, spoon, a me ka pahi, knife. Oia ho'i, mahalo.